I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care of laptop, updated. Start by shutting down and unplugging your laptop before cleaning to prevent damage. I'll walk you through safe cleaning, battery care, and storage tips in a calm, friendly way. You'll learn simple routines to keep performance steady and extend battery life. These tips work for most laptops, are easy to fit into daily habits, and avoid costly mistakes. In this video, I will explain how to care of laptop, updated. Gently clean keyboards with compressed air and a soft brush to remove crumbs and dust. Use a barely damp microfiber cloth for the chassis and a screen-safe cleaner for the display, wiping in one direction. Avoid liquid exposure to ports and hinges and let components fully dry before powering on. Regular light cleaning reduces heat buildup and prolongs the In this video, I will explain how to care of laptop, updated. Manage battery health by avoiding constant full or empty charges and use balanced power modes for daily use. For longer storage, keep the battery around 50% and choose a cool, dry spot to reduce degradation. Also, avoid leaving the laptop in hot cars or in direct sunlight, and consider a light maintenance check every few months to ensure fans and vents remain clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.